288, identify the port passing altitude.
Passing 2000 with 288.
288, merci vielmals. Please call me on departure.
Switching with 288. Swiss 288 is 2400, climbing 5000.
288, merci vielmals. Ground flight 120.
Flight level 120 Swiss 288.
Swiss 288, proceed direct to Omido when ready.
The Swiss 288, we have a technical problem. Call you back for intention.
Swiss 288, roger.
Swiss 288, request to hold over Zulu Hotel 554 and climbing to flight level 120.
Swiss 288, roger, approved, right turn holding, maintain flight level 120.
A right turn holding, overhead Zulu Hotel 554, climbing to flight level 120. We have a problem with our flap system.
Swiss 288, roger. Yeah, just for information, runway 16 and 34 hours, or yeah, is available the whole night.
Yep, thank you, Swiss 288. Departure Swiss 288.
Swiss 288?
Swiss 288, we are unable to continue our journey. Request traverse back to Zurich, but first we need an area to dump some fuel.
Okay, Swiss 288, we will coordinate with the center, and about how long do you need to dump?
30 minutes, Swiss 288.
Roger. And what's the requested landing runway afterwards? So maybe to define the dumping area.
Runway 16 for Swiss 288, and we need approximately 40 minutes for the dumping.
Okay, 40 minutes about for dumping, and runway 16.
Exactly, Swiss 288.
Swiss 288, initially heading 090, climb to flight level 160.
So we continue the right turn for heading 090, confirm?
Left turn, heading 080 now.
090 and climb to flight level 160 Swiss 288.
So right turn left heading 080.
Left turn heading 080, climbing flight level 160 Swiss 288.
Swiss 288, you can start with the dumping.
We'll call you when we are ready for dumping, Swiss 288.
Okay, reports ready and when starting. Turn left heading 070.
Left turn heading 070 Swiss 288, and we call you when we start. When you are ready for the dumping, Swiss 288.
Okay.
Swiss 288, we are ready for the dumping.
Swiss 288, roger, dumping approved.
Swiss 288.
Swiss 288, turn right heading 170.
Right turn heading 170 Swiss 288.
Swiss 288.
Pass your message, Swiss 288.
When do you expect to start the approach for my pre-planning about the dumping turns?
Approximately 30 to 35 minutes, Swiss 288.
Swiss 288 and right heading 250.
Right turn heading 250 Swiss 288.
Swiss 288 and right heading 350.
Right heading 350 Swiss 288.
Swiss 288 turn right heading 080.
Right heading 080 Swiss 288.
Swiss 288 turn left heading 070.
Left turn heading 070 Swiss 288. And Swiss 288, fuel jettison is completed, we are ready for approach.
Swiss 288, roger, descend to flight level 100.
Descend flight level 100, Swiss 288.
And Swiss 288, fire and rescue services will be ready on ground, or are ready on ground, and upon vacating the runway, if that is possible, a follow me car will wait for you and guide you to the stand.
Perfect, thank you, Swiss 288.
And Swiss 288, earliest taxiway to OK. It's Echo 7 and your planned stand is Bravo 43.
Swiss 288.
This 288, do you expect more or less a normal landing, or is it an overweight landing? And I plan you for about 12213 miles final.
Okay, we have a normal landing we expect. We have a little bit overweight, so about 8 tons spot landing weight, and we will vacate most probably at 8 or 8, but shouldn't be a problem anyhow, and 10 miles is okay for us.
Okay, this is 288. Merci for all the infos, and expect now 35 miles touchdown.
That's perfect, thank you very much. Just for information, we just had a problem with our flap system. We couldn't retract the flaps